Tired of crash diets and ineffective fat burning methods? Discover a delectable lineup of foods that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also redefine your weight loss journey. Stay tuned as we discover how these foods can revolutionize your weight loss journey. Before we delve into the specifics, please express your support by clicking the like button, subscribing if you haven't done so yet, and don't hesitate to share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is an ancient remedy known to reduce appetite and lower blood sugar, especially in people with diabetes. The main component, acetic acid, has positive effects on fat burning and reducing belly fat storage in animal studies. Limited human research suggests benefits, with a study on 144 obese men showing a loss of 3.7 pounds and a 0.9% reduction in body fat over 12 weeks. ACV may help prevent weight gain by reducing sugar cravings thanks to its acetic acid. It also acts as a natural detox and balances the stomach's pH. Since ACV is highly acidic, dilute it in water. Start with 1 teaspoon in a glass of water and gradually increase to 2 tablespoons per day. Broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are rich in fiber and nutrients, promoting fat burn. Broccoli, with its calcium content, is good for joints and weight loss. Calcium influences how the body processes and stores fat. A higher calcium level in a fat cell means it burns more fat. The chemical sulforaphane in broccoli speeds up metabolism and reduces bloating after a salty meal. Steaming broccoli is the best way to maximize its fat burning benefits as the body absorbs nutrients more efficiently. Cruciferous vegetables are low in calories, so feel free to enjoy them as part of a healthy diet. If you're looking for a spice that can help with fat loss, consider cinnamon. Cinnamon contains an essential oil called cinnamaldehyde, which can assist in burning fat, similar to capsaicin in chili. This oil stimulates thermogenesis, creating an environment for the body to burn calories. Cinnamon also provides other fat burning benefits. It helps balance blood sugar levels, preventing fat storage. When blood sugar levels are out of balance, insulin works over time to remove glucose from a high sugar carb diet and stores it in fat cells. Sprinkle some cinnamon on your coffee, smoothie, oatmeal, or yogurt for added flavor and potential fat burning benefits. For a budget friendly choice, consider eggs. They're rich in high quality protein, boosting metabolism by about 20 to 35% for several hours. Protein is crucial for building and maintaining muscle mass, contributing to an active metabolism. A single egg provides 7 grams of protein, along with essential nutrients like fat and vitamins, keeping you full for an extended period. Despite being high in cholesterol, scientific research suggests that eating eggs doesn't raise cholesterol levels. It's saturated fat that should be monitored. To optimize nutrient intake, consume 3 eggs several times a week. Choose certain organic pastured eggs for better quality, supporting fat burning and ensuring satisfaction. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Greek yogurt, particularly the full-fat kind, has scientific backing for aiding in the fat-burning process. Conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, in Greek yogurt supports fat burning, along with vitamin D and amino acids. The presence of probiotics is beneficial for good gut bacteria, especially crucial for weight loss, particularly in overweight individuals. Yogurt, rich in protein types like casein and whey, provides weight loss benefits, including appetite control and reduced overall food intake. Greek yogurt, with higher protein quality, has twice as much protein as regular yogurt. Opt for plain yogurt and avoid flavored or sweetened low-fat options, as they often contain added sugars. In essence, Greek yogurt is not just delicious, It's a potent supporter of fat loss. Coming up, we explore how one particular food can go beyond spiciness to assist with weight and fat loss. Nuts serve as more than just convenient snacks. They offer a rich source of magnesium and healthy fats. In particular, almonds stand out as an ideal snack for those aiming to lose weight and burn fat. A study involving overweight individuals revealed that those incorporating almonds into a low-calorie diet experienced a 50% increase in overall fat loss and approximately 18% weight loss, surpassing the 11% observed in the comparison group. Nuts, being protein rich, demand more energy for digestion, potentially boosting metabolism and calorie burning. Despite their nutritional value, nuts are high in fats, albeit mostly healthy ones. It is essential to consume them in moderation to fully enjoy their benefits. Eliminating all fats from your diet isn't the best way to lose weight. It's not effective and can be unhealthy. Instead, focus on eating the right fats. Avoid saturated fats and choose polyunsaturated ones. Salmon and other oily fish are excellent sources of these healthy fats, especially rich in omega-3 fatty acids, reducing inflammation and promoting fat burning. Salmon also provides high-quality protein, beneficial for weight and fat loss, as the body works harder to digest protein. Additionally, salmon is packed with essential nutrients like vitamin D, B vitamins, potassium, phosphorus, selenium, and more, supporting overall health. Selenium, found in salmon, is particularly important for a healthy thyroid, crucial for an efficient metabolism. Other oily fishes like sardines, tuna, mackerel, and halibut are also great choices. Beyond its fat loss benefits, salmon is excellent for improving focus and productivity. Explore other foods that contribute to a healthier lifestyle, including hearty whole grains like oats, quinoa, brown rice, and bulgur wheat in your diet can help with fat loss. These grains are high in fiber, which takes up space in your stomach and makes you feel satisfied despite being low in calories. Fiber also aids in maintaining a healthy bowel by preventing constipation and bloating. Studies show that people who ate whole grains lost more body fat, especially belly fat, compared to those who stuck to refined grains. Oats, a great source of plant-based protein, offer over 8 grams in every 2/3 cup of dry oats. Opt for unsweetened rolled oats, oat bran, or steel-cut oats for maximum benefits. Customize your oatmeal with toppings like nuts, seeds, vanilla, or cocoa for added flavor. Chili peppers bring more than just spiciness. They also help with weight and fat loss. The key is capsaicin, a flavorless chemical in hot peppers that adds the heat to your food. Capsaicin curbs appetite and slightly speeds up metabolism for a short time. The thermogenic effect of chilies makes the body burn about 50 extra calories per day by raising body temperature. Eating chili peppers also makes you feel full and prevents overeating. If you don't like eating chili peppers, you can still get the benefits by adding powdered cayenne pepper to your meals a few times a week. However, not everyone enjoys spicy foods. If you're one of those, you might find other ways to enjoy a healthy lifestyle. Incorporating these foods into your diet can contribute to your journey toward a healthier lifestyle. Remember, there's no magic solution for weight loss, but making mindful choices and adopting a balanced diet can make a significant impact on your overall well being. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of foods that support fat burning and a healthy lifestyle. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe for more valuable insights into health and wellness. As always, we wish you the best on your journey to diabetes recovery.